Step 1, open up the data file, which I did, and save it adding our last name. So you can go ahead and save it. I like to use the F12 trick, the function 12 key on my keyboard. If you have a laptop, you might need to hold down the FN key at the bottom left corner. But when you tap on the F12 key, it brings up your Save As dialog box, and then hopefully you have a CIT 111 folder where you're going to be saving your homework. Please make sure to go ahead and add your last name, first initial to the beginning of the file name. Make the changes to the Delta Discount worksheet, step 2. So we're going to come over here to this worksheet and see what we need to do. Edit the values in the cells containing numeric data. Watch the totals change. So if you notice down here, they use the sum function to total, and if I double click on the cell, actually, you can see what cells are involved in the function. So all these totals down here use the sum function to total up, and these numbers, these totals here are totaling for each type of sales, in-store, catalog, or online. And I'm going to use my escape key here to get out of that. That's a good trick also to know. So here they just want you to take notice of the what happens to the numbers if you change them. So since we're using functions, if we change one of the numbers, for example, in B5 to, right now it says 80,678, and we're going to change this one to 132. And I'm going to hit my enter key, and here we can see how the number changed. So actually the first thing we were supposed to do was change sales analysis to monthly departmental sales. And I'm just going to click in this cell and type right over that. And then I will go ahead and follow the rest of the directions to change the values in the rest of the cell. I'm going to pause the video here for a moment and do that. So I'm going to do one more on the video with you just to show you that I've actually been coming up here to the name box at the top left and typing in the name of the cell, G6 for example, this is the last one, just to make it a little bit easier to navigate to that cell, not have to think about it so much. Okay, step 3 is to merge and center A1 to H1 and update it to the title cell style. So to merge and center, first we have our selecting cursor. This hospital looking icon like this means that you're ready to select. So when your cursor looks like this, you can click, hold down your mouse button and drag. And in the alignment group on the home ribbon, we can just click right on merge and center. If you wanted to do a different kind of merge, you can click on the pull down, but we want to center it. And you can also always change the alignment in using the alignment tools here. So you can go to the right or back to the left in the center. And then we're going to use the cell styles button to update it to the title cell style. So you'll be using the cell styles a lot throughout the semester. It will start to become second nature to come to this tool and look for the different styles that are assigned. We're also going to merge and center A2 to H2. And we will use the subtitle style, which is right. Let's find our subtitle style. Sorry about that. This is the subtitle, and we are just going to update the font to size 14, as there is no subtitle style in Excel. There is in Word, not in Excel. And we will change the font color to blue accent 1, darker 50%. So I'm going to come over to the font group and look for blue accent 1. Maybe it's in this column. Here we go, darker 50%. So this guy right down here. And that's it for steps 1 through 4.